Hi guys! Good morning! It's 6 o'clock in the morning here at nagprepare lang po ako ng magiging baon ko po sa work. Saka gagawa na rin ako ng pang-breakfast po ni Michael. Mabilis lang po to guys kasi kailangan ko lang is yung tortilla wraps and cheese at saka yung ham. Baliktarin lang natin to. This is just a very easy recipe guys. Sobrang dali lang nito. Tinlagay mo lang yung ham. Ayan. Saka yung cheese. Sa one side lang ha. Kasi we're gonna fold it in half.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why.
So guys, ito po yung baon ko sa work. Meron akong chichirya, then cream caramel, banana saka oranges, Yakult. Meron pa akong grapes dito, saka yung ating cheese and ham na tortilla wraps guys. Yan lang po.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Guys, nasa work na po ako. Nasa elevator po. Ayoko maglakad kasi nasa 5th floor po yun. Sobrang layo.
But I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said.
What on earth are you doing, love?
What?
What?
Yeah, I'm doing one
Poached egg.
poached egg.
In the microwave.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
it's cool.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, that's a technique, Simi.
Now you know.
Hi guys, we're having our break now. It's break time. I'm so hungry. You want to say
And
hi?
you are checking yourself, right?
Hi, Simi. And hi to Jing. I do YouTube. I'm just having a coffee and the toasty and some grapes and oranges and of course the healthy one, my dessert, which is the chocolate. Look at that guys, it's cooked. That's the magic egg. Next time I'm gonna bring some chicken.
You could poach chicken in the microwave.
No way.
Yeah. If you do it in the boiling water.
Oh God.
Okay.
Hi guys! Kakarating ko lang po galing sa duty. My God. Sobrang busy ko kanina guys, kaya hindi na po ako nakabalik after nung first break ko in the morning. My God. Grabe! Yung sabay ko guys, puro siya COVID. My God. But anyway, hindi na siya kagaya dati guys na sobrang takot ako na magkaroon ng COVID. Kasi nagka-COVID na rin ako guys. My God. 3 times. So now, magluluto po ako ng pork mince with Thai basil. So, nakapag-marinate po ako kagabi guys ng minced pork. So, ano lang to ha? Soy sauce saka ng bawang. Then, I have here the Thai basil. I've got some onion. Ano to? Yung another bawang ulit. Saka yung chili. Then, I'm gonna add some soy sauce at saka yung ating oyster sauce. Then, this sunflower oil. So, ayun. Yung mga pasyente ko guys, kasi nga 'di ba, off sick ako ng mga few days. My God, sabi nila sa akin, saan ka ba galing? Namiss ka namin, my God. Lagi kitang hinahanap, araw-araw. Ganun yung sabi nila sa akin. Sabi ko naman, oh, sorry kasi ganito. May sakit ako. Ano kasi guys, ako kasi sa work, hindi matino kausap. Hindi, pagdating sa mga pasyente, seryoso ako guys sa pag-aalaga sa kanila. Pero most of the time po, pinapatawa ko talaga sila guys. By the way guys, hindi ko pala naikwento sa inyo kanina, yung nurse, international nurse siya, under pa siya sa training, sabi niya sa akin, hindi ko maintindihan, bakit estudyante ka, pero we're following you. Tatlo kasi silang international nurses. Then sabi ko naman sa kanya na, kung alam niyo na yung ginagawa niyo, edi go ahead, do it. Then sabi niya sa akin, no, I rather wait for you. Then sabi ko, yun naman pala, yung dami mo pang sila sabi sa kanila reklamo dyan. Pero, inapatawa way, guys.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday.
Guys, charang, it's cooked na. Have a look. It's so yummy and it's a little bit spicy pero carry lang siya guys. And you know what guys, kumain na po ako kanina sa break ko. So this one is for bound tomorrow and this is for my like almost lunch and tea. Kasi yung break kasi namin guys is pag morning, it is between like 9:30 up to 11. Pero 30 minutes lang po kada worker. Tapos sa hapon po, ang start ng break namin is 3:30 hanggang 5 o'clock. So, yung sister namin, siya na po yung naglalagay kung sino yung mauuna na mag-break. Tapos after 30 minutes, another staff na naman po yung pupunta sa pag-break. So, this one, I'm gonna have some rice tomorrow. And let's see if I can have some, that tortilla wraps. Pero I think that's gonna be for Michael na lang. Kasi dalawa na lang po yung natira. So, I think in the morning, I'm gonna have some porridge. So, magdadala po ako ng porridge kasi marami po akong porridge dito guys. And we don't want it na ma-expired at saka matapon lang natin. So, now, I'm gonna go and have a shower, have a rest, and go to bed. Well, not really. I'm gonna watch some Korean drama, then go to bed. So, I'll see you again tomorrow guys. And hopefully na nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog natin for today. Bye-bye!